Ever stumbled upon Vivid online and wondered, is this website actually safe? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Vivid, exploring its safety features, potential risks, and ultimately, helping you decide if it's the right platform for you. Let's be real, the internet can be a wild place. We encounter all sorts of websites, some reputable, others not so much. Vivid, as you probably know, is a popular adult entertainment platform. But beyond the obvious, what are the real concerns? First things first, data privacy. Vivid, like many online platforms, collects user data. This information can include browsing history, preferences, and even location. Now, this data collection can be used for things like personalized recommendations, but it also raises questions about your privacy. How secure is this data? Could it be misused or even fall into the wrong hands? Another crucial aspect is the safety of the content itself. While Vivid has measures in place to moderate content and remove illegal or harmful material, it's impossible to guarantee 100% safety. There's always the potential for encountering disturbing or offensive content, even if it violates the platform's terms of service. And let's not forget about the potential for scams. Phishing attempts, malware, and other online threats can be prevalent on any platform, including adult entertainment sites. It's crucial to be vigilant and exercise caution when interacting with links, downloading files, or sharing personal information. So, is Vivid safe? The answer isn't a simple yes or no. It depends on your individual risk tolerance and how you choose to use the platform. Here are some tips to enhance your safety on Vivid. Be mindful of the information you share. Avoid sharing personal details like your full name, address, or financial information. Use strong, unique passwords. And don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Be critical of the content you encounter. If something feels off, report it to Vivid's support team. Stay informed about online safety best practices. This includes recognizing phishing attempts, identifying suspicious websites, and understanding the risks of downloading files from unknown sources. Ultimately, the responsibility for your online safety lies with you. By being aware of the potential risks and taking proactive steps to protect yourself, you can enjoy your online experiences with greater peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.